Hi everyone. Today is the second day of the 30-day speaking challenge, and today's theme is about why we study the target language. Well, I can't really say that I study English right now. I just wanted to use it again as a spoken language. I guess I'm too lazy to study, so to say, like really study, like in books and learning vocabulary and everything. So my goal for this time would be to improve my spoken English and my intonation. And this is the hardest part because English is one of the two languages that I learned at school along with Spanish. I learned Swedish, German, and Russian in foreign countries, and it was much easier to catch the melody, the intonation of the language because I didn't speak the language before, and I was surrounded by people who just spoke it this way, and so I just caught it the way they spoke it. With English, well, um, we don't have a very good reputation as French people for speaking English in a natural way, so to say, like you would speak it. Um, and so learning with someone who wasn't a native speaker, I guess I learned it with a French accent. And once you get it, it's very hard to get rid of it unless you live in English speaking countries for a long time. I guess maybe then you can correct that. But that wasn't the case. I was in the UK and the US and Canada, but for a short period of times, and it was lovely. But it wasn't enough for me to catch it, so to say. And yeah, so I guess I should have to try and mimic the intonations that I heard, which is kind of strange, actually. It sounds like imitating and not like doing the right way. But that's also the same with singing, so I don't know. Maybe it's just a question of trying and see what happens. I don't have any tutors. I don't have language partners, so to say. I have mostly like friends with whom I speak in English or I write in English more. Well, it's more pen pals, so it's more about writing. And well, after a while, it's not about studying, it's really about using the language, because just studying for the sake of studying doesn't really make sense. Well, some people just like it as a hobby, but in the end, if you don't talk with people, what's the point? And so yeah, I think after a while I don't really care about making so many mistakes. It's more about being able to communicate, and I think I can already communicate in English. Just wanted to well, make a small challenge for me, just to see if I could do something about the way I speak, and that's it. So that would be all for today, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.